Many of my clients have the same pain points when it comes to their kitchens, and in particular, their food storage container drawer. So if your container drawer looks anything like this, stick around. I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can declutter it and keep it organized permanently. So let's get started. The first thing we'll need to do is remove everything from the drawer, put it on our counter, and sort through it. Glass containers, put plastic containers on this side, plastic lids to the glass containers. Once you've taken everything out of the drawer, be sure to give it a good wipe down. And I'm finding mini shards of glass from my glass containers, which certainly can be good. So the drawer is empty, I've wiped it down, and now I'm ready to put my items back. Before purchasing any organizing supplies, I always check my home to see if there's something I have that may be useful. I happen to have just a few simple dollar store bins here, so I'm going to see if they work. If you do decide to purchase organizing products, it's very important to measure the space first to be sure what you're buying is actually going to accommodate the items you'd like to store in that space. I hope you're inspired to take a look at your own food storage container drawer and see what simple changes you can make to keep it more organized. Remember, there's no right way to get organized. It's whatever works for you.